Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Nanike phinino ngigilwa uRumza waseMaritzburg owayefike engcwele wase waqhithisa indoda ngikhona eflatini erumini and leyo room yayi under my name KP City Life eThekwini. Story time. Okay, ngangade ngihlala nentombazane injisi right shem nentombazane yasa ngitshela simi ngiyosebenzela empangeni manje ngisakwazi ukuhlala lana. No, it's fine. Angikhombise nempela it's no, this is my transfer letter yakhe. Bese ke ngixoxela nje omunye umngane wami ukuthi imngane ngidinga urooms manje angeke ngikwazi ukuhlala ngedwa nje. Kuba mina nese-staff manhlani ba 2 3 yabo endlini kuba ne-vibe kuba nomsindo kuyaxoxwa nje. Athena kunomza wami obehlala eRes akasafuna ukuhlala eRes ufuna ukuhlala ngaphandle ufuna duty. No, it's fine. Student ingane encane ngeke zilokhu ingihlupha mhlawumbe igroove yabo nje akuyena into ngalokho ngiyazi akahlezi esendlini uphumile nami ngiphumile ngisesikoleni nawo sesikoleni nje kuzoba right so lokhu kuma phambane it's fine. Ugeli afike ngempela fana into eziningi ke Osama hamba uthenga umbhede kwageli ikhona imali yokuthenga ku-rich uzala abafundi umfundisi yabo kuba kuyakholwa and umfundisi wangempela nebandla elikhulu eMaritzburg. Hayi ugeli ngempela bani nami ngiyayikhonzela ngikhonze JNF by that time. Hayi ngi-attend isonto ugeli attend isonto I don't judge yabo because lapho ukhathele phela isonto kubo isinko semihla ngamihla ukhathele ugeli ufuna ukuphumula ufuna ukurest. Bese ngiyamtshela siyazi mntu ngisaya kwaNongoma ngikhaya I think ngihamba ngolwesine ngizobuya Monday bese ethi kunga right yini mangaletha indoda yakho ayisengixoxela ukuthi indoda yakhe base sibethandane for close to 7 years shuthi ithi high school sweetheart umfana uyimadness yabo eMaritzburg so yena ngoba defunde eduty yaseMaritzburg wase washintsha duty wasefunda duty manje yakuphi ke manje edrobheni eThekwini ngaseke eMaritzburg. So is it fine ukuthi ngaletha indoda yakhe izomvashela kade ayigcina? No, it's fine. Angikho ngithi vele ngiyikhaya. Athi okay sharp befuna nje yabo assurance it's fine. Ngihambe ngekhaya mina nini ngolesine ngibuye nini Monday. Mangibuya Monday ngibuye ekseni mina. Sheshe ngibuyele nje ekhaya. I think ngabuya ngabo 12 to 1 KP eThekwini. Ngifica indoda ilele embhedeni wami, imilele embhedeni wami ngamashidami. Umbhede wami awi-double bed yena ugeli wathenga single bed nje enqovu impela i-double bed eqinile. Geli mangifika ngifica indoda isembhedeni yena ugeli akekho yogeza amashawa kaSicity Life angaphandle awekho ngaphakathi endlini. Hayibo mayibuya nje angimbuzi ngiyambuka emehlweni emengene eminyango ngiyambuka ngibuka indoda athi sacela bandla usinike 30 minutes sisagqoka sami akayichaza ukuthi wayindoda yakulele embhedeni wami nami angisafuni phela ukumhlaza phathi ngiyayibuza uthena khona kuthiwa bebelala bengazibelale ngamashidi amafethu iqaqa lendoda nje yo ngihambe ke ngephezulu kubangani bami baseBay ngiyohlala nabo ngahlala ngi30 minutes ngicine sengidlala isikhathi eside I think ngazabe endlini sekuyoshaya u6 endlini yami lapha phansi ezansi. Hayi mangifika useyikhiphile ishidi akaxolisa ugela akasho akachazi lutho okusho ukuthi ngelanga enihambe nalo basebenzisa umbhede wami okungayona inkingi waye besebenzisa ingubo zami ke nje ungijwayela kabi kwenye level. Hayi ngimkhombise kamathuqalazi wami ngimlande ngimtshene kwezikabhoqo ngithi lalela ke ugela angenziwa njalo ngoba ngingaqhithisi nje nami uNkulunkulu wami angiqhithisi kweyami indlu ke umfana ahlahla kangeni yabo kowami kumbhede kuwest indawo yami yokuresta wena ulethe umfana usuzungusela ngephunga lendoda kuphi empedeni wami. Hayi ke ntombazane angikuthandi ke mina lokho. Ugeli ke aqale ke manje angibringele yabo asiyangibringise ngezi attitude la ukusakusabambana nangequpha ngiyabuya no part 2. Ayike part 2 we story. Ugeli vele mase seyihamba indoda yakhe usemudi ke manje ugeli ke akasangeneki ugeli seyishingishana uyangena uvala umnyango uyawubhaqaza umebuya uyawubhaqaza usekhuluma nefoni kakhulu ebusuku abona ayisekho nje respect phakathi kwami naye nje asenandaba yabo sengathi sicuphene manje yabo usethe mebuye esikoleni ubuyalala uyamboza asisakhulumi yabo nje noma ngibingelela sometimes uvela ngibuke nje ayithulela athi ayithulele hayi kudluleke amaviki after leso shingishane ke sendoda yakhe athenge okay ngimtshela ngenze njani ke hlambulula umbhede wami bani athi okay ngicela ukukuthengela ke ibedding entsha ahamba othenga ibedding entsha athenge nje ibedding yonke entsha thatha ibedding lendala mina ngwashisa ama yonke into ayilapha pheko kombhede ngishisa ama throne athenge ithrone entsha athenge ishidi elisha athenge I think wayathenge futhi Mr Price home athenga nga2 engathi angigcwalisele angithengele iina ibedding edingi ina bese thinazi into zakho thathe mina into zami ngifake empedweni ngilale ngitofontofo ngilale ngento ezi right ay kudlule nje u2 weeks later sibe agcine sebona nje ukuthi aya ngingene ngempendaba kube right bese kuzosondela uhola kwamanesi ngangezwa ngathi indoda yakhe iholile and ngiyakhumula ngaleso sikhathi esontweni kwakune 6 okusho ukuthi ngiyengilala endlini ngizobe ngisesontweni ngizobuya ekseni mhlawumbe ngo5 or ngizobuya ngo6 uzodepend ukuthi kukhanye kushesheni nokukhanya hayi ugeli alethe indoda ntombi should bekumele bebooke angazi kwenzakalani kwi-booking yabo yena uyitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizobuya emini but ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyesontweni ngiyabuya hayi indoda ifike ayikade iholile ifike ilaleke manje embhedeni wakhe hayi mangithi ngiyavula kunokey ngimfonela kayibami phone ngilokho ngihlohla ukey uzuwe lokhiyo ngaphakathi shuthi badakiwe engiyangempela balele ngene nami endlini ngilale but angisekho comfortable hayi indoda ngiyitshela indoda iyahamba cho sis kuzoklabwa futhi namhlanje eclubeni kwanamhlanje izobuya izolala futhi indoda ngikhona lalelani ngavuka umbhejazana ngathi wesisi ngekwazi ngamtshela ngathi webhuti kahle umnikazi wendlula imina ngengikwazi mina ukuthi ulalela na iBayside uRussell after robot nje ngicela niyobhuka khona bandla ngicela nje niyobhuka khona kwakusawo 300 bani acane niyobhuka kubhaliwe ngaphandle amagama amakhulu ukuthi 350 kulala ngicela nje niyobhuka bafethu angeke ngikwazi mina ukulala la ipiki intombazana shuthi ishishayile because bafika ngabo bani ikhathi I think 12 to 1 iyapika ngithi akusizike sisupika because ngizofuna security mina lapha ezansi lizokhipha lo bhuti because mina sisibabili la awukwazi ukusayina indoda ngikhona ayipiki intombazana iphihliza amaglass yafokofisa ila khona ke esathathana khona ngenqindi sadudulana ngamshako drop lapho indoda yakhona ayisazi yenze njani ayifuna ukuhlukanisa ngamshako drop ekhoneni la wardrobe leyo uyabo lo wardrobe lo ovela utsheka ukuthi lowo ke sashayana salwa kwadlule iviki angabuyi I think eresa afika senje isikhoma esikhulu angisurprise sengiyazi lethu geli ngesabuya la sengiyazi mina ukuthi nje venge ngesabuya ahamba I think ohlala eresi yabangani bakhe bese ke ngiyambona lokho esasipahla kancane ke yaba uyangifonela ngangingekho ngisemsebenzini angifonele ethi ena usethathile into zakhe sathile into zakho asithangisha amateka ama sithangisha into zami ngithi mina but usatha amateki athi akabona ngithi awa check athi awekho amateki la shipping block ingane shipping blocker ingane kwasho ukuthi I think angasho ukuthi ID yakhe ngamfuna eDUT ngibuzo omunye nje ubhuti wayebizwa ngobani konje umcebo ngibuza umcebo yamazini ugelo kanje nje ecela ungicheckela yena bani nasi isithombe sakhe angitholele yena siyamazi uhlale rese ukuthi ngafika sisi kokhethe abalaphana ngasho ukuthi ngifuna ugelo kanje uhambe namateka ami cabanga amateka ami angwagqoki namateka ngangisanda kuqedule ngangakagqosho wagqoka nje lamateka eNike ngaphisana ngawo kuza ngigqoka uteke ayangishisa kwasuka umusinde esamateka wakhe yena ngaveza mina islip ngathi awami lamateksi siphi islip salamateki lawo ngasho no-size wawakhipha amateki sekuyimpi owawungeke uze uyibone impi ongangize uyibone from that month ngathi ake ngingatholi i-rooms nje angingatholi i-rooms ngisahlalele nje kanjalo ukufona enye intombazane icela izokwenza i-sleep over ngithi ngicela nje ukushaywa umoya ngoba intombazane ingilile ifuna ukulanda umfana for sure ayizongilaya bayovele beshaya iklof ngikhona ngoba phela esithila vele iklof ngishisha umakhelwane ngokuba ngathi uyishala eduze kwakho ngoba ayingenayo ama-soundproof izindlu zakhona. Ngiyabonga amantombazane aseMaritzburg konke nje nobhuti bakhona ngithi thanks.
Mara basadi bothata ba rena ke eng mara like what do you mean gore you call your boyfriend wa robala mo mpeteng wa motho o mongwe? It really does not make sense. And then later on you start acting somehow as if you are the one who was wronged while you are the one who did someone wrong. It really does not matter. And I feel like the reason why she started acting like that is because she was feeling embarrassed. It's so embarrassing. Like, yo, my God. And I thank God that she ended up buying her stuff and bringing everything back, because I cannot just imagine sleeping on the bed that you guys did off on. Like, yo, it's really bad. And I've had so many shocking stories, man, especially about rest and the roommates. Kuri, a lot goes down there. A lot goes down. If you can afford, just stay alone, man. Just stay alone. And also this lady, I do understand Oguti, she have got her high school sweetheart and now she wants to see him, but she was supposed to do everything on her bed. She was not supposed to use this lady's stuff because that's wrong. Like, it is wrong in any way you can try to put it. It is wrong. You don't do that. You do not use someone's bed while you are busy with your boyfriend or your husband. You do not use someone's blankets. Like, when it comes to blankets, it's even worse. It's worse. But I thank God that she ended up moving out. This was a very bad roommate. She was not a good person. That's why she ended up just acting up. And later on, when this lady told Ogut, no, guys, like, you cannot be here with me, which is very wrong. And yes, they were going to do stuff while she's there. While she was there watching them. And I don't think that's good for anyone. And I really applaud her for standing her ground and telling them, you know what, guys, please go and book somewhere. And that caused a fight, which means this lady have got a very big problem. You have to check for these qualities when you are looking for a roommate, because, hey, you will cry.